For the last 15 years, every major web browser has been built on the exact same passive interaction model. You open a tab, type a URL, manually click through navigation menus, copy text, and paste it into another application. Even as browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Brave integrated AI sidebars, those tools remained fundamentally static, acting as glorified text boxes glued onto the side of a window, completely blind to the live, interactive web page on your screen. When you try to automate complex web tasks using standard browsers, your workflow instantly breaks down into manual microtasks. You are forced to act as the manual bridge between your browser tabs and your AI workspace. You spend your afternoons clicking through accordions, switching between email threads and calendars, and organizing scattered data points. The promise of Perplexity Comet is a fundamental shift from passive rendering to active, agentic web navigation. By embedding intelligence directly into the browser's core rendering engine, Comet reads the live document object model, and DOM, retains full crosstab context, and executes multi-step web workflows on your behalf inside your active, authenticated sessions. To understand why Comet outperforms legacy browsers with AI extensions, you have to look at how data is processed across your browser workspace. Standard AI extensions scrape static HTML or rely on external API keys, which frequently break on dynamic JavaScript-heavy sites. Comet operates natively within the Chromium runtime, granting its AI engine direct, real-time access to the browser's viewport and session state. As illustrated in the system runtime architecture, the agentic browsing stack operates through three interconnected layers. The session and authentication layer operates directly inside your logged-in sessions, Gmail, Google Calendar, SaaS dashboards, e-commerce portals, without requiring third-party OAuth setup or API integrations. The visual and DOM parsing engine analyzes rendered page layouts in real time, detecting interactable buttons, form fields, hidden accordions, and dynamic web components. The cross-tab context buffer maintains unified memory across all open tabs, allowing the agent to synthesize, compare, and route data between disparate web pages simultaneously. Instead of treating each browser tab as an isolated island, Comet transforms your entire tab strip into a unified, queryable database. In-session email and calendar. Automation, the first test of replacing Chrome with Comet, was tackling daily administrative email management. In a standard workflow, scheduling a meeting from an email chain requires opening Google Calendar in a second tab, manually spotting open time slots, switching back to Gmail, typing out availability, and drafting a reply. In Comet, you bypass external scheduling tools entirely by triggering agentic commands directly inside your active Gmail tab. When you issue a command like find a 30-minute opening this Thursday afternoon and draft a reply to Taylor, the Comet Assistant activates a blue workspace border around the viewport, indicating active agent control. Without leaving the page, Comet reads the 12-message email thread, opens a background session to check your authenticated Google Calendar, identifies a free 2 p.m. slot, and populates the Gmail response box with a polite, context-aware draft. Because the agent works inside your active browser session, no sensitive credentials or API keys ever leave your local workspace. The second major bottleneck in standard web browsing is conducting multi-source research across dozens of open tabs. When analyzing financial reports, industry white papers, or technical documentation, you typically end up with 10 tabs open, constantly jumping back and forth to cross-reference statements. Comet eliminates this cognitive drag through native cross-tab awareness. 1. Multi-tab ingestion and parsing. Phase 1. Session ingestion. Open multiple target research tabs, PDFs, news articles, financial disclosures. Comet automatically indexes the active DOM and text payload of every open tab into a unified context buffer. 2. Multi-source query execution. Phase 2. Semantic cross-referencing. Type a unified prompt into the Comet Omnibox using @tabs. The model scans all open pages simultaneously to locate matching data points, revenue metrics, or key technical parameters. 3. Synthesis and citation mapping. Phase 3. Structured matrix generation. Comet compiles the findings into a clean comparison matrix directly in the sidebar, attaching explicit line item citations that link directly back to the exact tab and source URL. 4. Direct source verification. Phase 4. Deep inspection. Clicking any generated citation instantly focuses the corresponding tab and scrolls the browser window directly to the highlighted paragraph for immediate human verification. The most demanding test of the 7-day experiment was forcing Comet to execute multi-site product research across 10 competing e-commerce retailer sites simultaneously. Comparing specs, warranties, shipping fees, and final prices for complex hardware, like 4K OLED monitors, usually requires navigating multiple tabs, opening hidden spec accordions, and manually populating a spreadsheet. To test Comet's autonomous DOM manipulation, 10 individual product pages were opened across Amazon, Best Buy, B&H, Newegg, and Micro Center. The Agentic scraping rule. Traditional web scrapers fail when specs are hidden behind interactive UI elements. Comet actively clicks drop-down menus, opens specification accordions, and interacts with on-page shipping calculators in real time to retrieve hidden data. The agent was given a single prompt: extract the refresh rate, peak HDR brightness, warranty length, and final price, including shipping across all 10 open tabs. Create a comparative matrix and highlight the best overall value. Within 15 seconds, Comet interacted with all 10 DOMs, extracted the nested text nodes, normalized currency differences, and generated a structured comparison dashboard inside the browser sidebar, saving nearly 30 minutes of manual research time. When you evaluate web navigation based on speed, task automation, and context retention, traditional browsers and standard AI extensions become entirely obsolete. Spending 7 full days living inside Perplexity Comet makes one reality abundantly clear. The future of web navigation is not about managing more open tabs. It is about delegating them to autonomous digital agents. While traditional browsers force you to act as a manual data transporter between web pages and external tools, an agentic browser transforms your workspace into a self-executing research and administration engine. However, moving to an agentic browser requires a clear understanding of session privileges and security. Because Comet operates with your active login permissions, running agentic commands on untrusted web pages requires careful prompt hygiene to avoid indirect prompt injection vectors. Your immediate challenge for the next 24 hours is to select your most tedious daily web task, whether it's cross-referencing industry research papers or scheduling calendar slots across client email threads, and test an agentic browsing session. If you want immediate access to the exact prompt templates, multi-tab workflows, and agentic search blueprints used throughout this 7-day test, check out the resources linked in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because in our next architecture breakdown, we are building a fully automated, multi-agent content ingestion pipeline. See you in the next video.